It's World Puppetry Day! Marty, it's World Puppetry Day!
Can't you see I'm on the turlet?
Chessie, it's World Puppetry Day!
Mikey, leave me alone, it's my day off.
Oh, no one loves me. Patrick, it's World Puppetry Day! Florence, it's World Puppetry Day! Can't you see I'm on the turlet, man? So, be nice to a puppet today. Pod!
Yes?
You know what, never mind. No. And let it be known around the nation that a puppet is different from a homunculus. Mr. McClump, it's World Puppetry Day! What? No. But be nice to a homunculus anyway. And a puppet. Molly, it's World Puppetry Day! What? No. Steve, it's World Puppetry Day!
Oh, that's fantastic. What are you gonna do today, Mikey?
It's World Puppetry Day.
I know.
No! No! The truth has been revealed.